Hi guys, I need to make a 3D strategy map for my game, and I will show you how I plan to do it. It is not perfect solution, but I think this solution will make job 10 times easier. In bottom right you have this mouse, and here you can see when I press some key, so you can follow along. So let's get going. I just want to repeat, this is not one-click solution. You need to put some work on it, and you can just sit and enjoy watch this video and see how I plan to do it. This is a very useful site, and on this site you can download height map from any place on earth, any place. Very useful. I will leave link of this site in the video description. No matter if you are making some terrain for your game or if you are making some terrain for Blender, so this is the site to go. You can zoom pretty far and you can find some beautiful place on this world and download height maps, and you can very easily make terrain. For my game I'm planning to do like strategy map of Europe. So below here you have some parameters. I will just go like here. First I will go with size 4K, and inside 4K I will put up output zoom on like 7, like here, and you see in this box that height map will be recorded. So this is very important. When you find your perfect location, trust me, you will need this in future. You have latitude and longitude. You just want to copy this number and save it. And save output zoom and set it for 4K. Because if you ever want to change something, you know how to return it. Now, next step, what I will do, I will first go here in mode, and I will go in off and just download this map on off. And here in generate height map. It will take some time. Now you see this is the shape of Europe map. You don't have mountains because you do not want to sculpt shape of Europe. Trust me, it will take so much time. So first I will take shape, so I have rough shape of my map. Next, what I will do, I will save and regular. We will save everything to have it. After regular, I will save smart. After smart, I will go here in output and choose this one, 16 bits. It will take some time. This file, EXR, you can open in Photoshop or in Infinity, I will show you. And I will save 32 bits too. So we want to have everything. Now, you see you have these modes here. There are different modes, and you can save these modes as albedo, as color. So I will generate color here. You can even download this mode too, and you see you have different types. And I will download this color too. And I think I will. You have names, you can countries, you can download everything. I will download this mode too. And for this site, you can go with 8K, download it. You can download the photos in tiles. You can mess around with this site, but I will go with 4K. What I forgot to tell you, and that's why you need to copy this longitude and latitude. So when you are exporting this OpenLXR, you need this mode to be off. You can export everything. This mode in EXR in off, in regular export. But for me, I need to be in off. So I will export in off with 16-bit and with off in 32-bit. Next thing, what I need to do, I'm planning to go with 100 meters by 100 meters map for my game. So I will add a new plane. hit N, and in items I'll make it like 100 meters. So for my game, I just need this map. It depends what you will do, what kind of map you need for your game. So this is all photos that I downloaded. First, I will use this one and just make a shape of Europe. I will go click on this plane, go on modifiers, add modifier, generate subdivision surface, go in simple, and I will cut it like 10 times. Now when I'm working with this, just turn on statistic and follow it. You do not want to go in 100 millions. So this plane have 2 millions of triangles. Okay. Now I will add another modifier, generate deform displays. I will go here in new and go here, and I will open this one. Now you see we have a rough shape of our map, but it is inverted. So I will go here on strength and go like -3. And now you can see we have a rough shape of Europe. So this is now very helpful, because to sculpt the shape of Europe, you need a lot of time. Later, when I show you some other things, you will need, I just warn you, will need to go in sculpting and just smooth these things out. Now, when you are working with this, always be ready to have a couple of different saves. So in this time, I will save this file, this model. Now, next thing, I will click on model in object mode, and I will shade smooth it. So we have shade smooth. Okay. Next thing, you need to go in Photoshop and Affinity and open this file, 16-bit or 32 bits. I will try with 32 bits. I'm using Affinity, you can use Photoshop. So I will go with this 32-bit EXR and open it. And now, as you can see, it's very darker, but now you need to make levels, because what's the trick? Because you do not want your peaks to be too bright, because you will, on this size of map, you will never get it right. So you need to have like everything gray, not too white. So I will go in white levels like here on 0, maybe more like this. I will try with this. So you do not want everything to be like too bright, you know. I will try this to save in this file in Photoshop or Affinity, save everything, always. I will export it as PNG. Now in Blender, we will make a new material. I will go in shading. Now we are in shading, and here I will add Shift A image. I'll open color image. One of color images is this one of this color. I'll connect color to color. Now we have color of our map. And now what's the point? Depends on what map do you need. You can very easy with height maps make normal maps. I will just show you quickly how. So this is one site. I will leave link in the description, but you have a lot of these sites. Same. Then you can transfer like height map to normal. I will go in this one that we made in Affinity, and I'll put it like here. It is 4K image, and now I have a normal map. I will download it. We have a bunch of these sites, but I will leave you in the description of this particular. So let's go back in Blender. Now we are back in Blender. I will go in shading, and I will add this normal map. I will just open it. Is this, yes, is this one. I will go here, normal map color, and add this normal map color, normal map. Now we have normal map, you see. I will just go in, you can make strength like more. I will go roughness, you can mess around with it. And don't forget to normal map to color space to put it on non-color. So it really depends what you want and what you need for your game. You can make it like you can make just this plain map with no topology, and you can just put like normal map on it. You know, if your game if you do not want for your game to zoom too much, you know. But something is like it's off. It's like normal maps and color. It's misaligned. But always you can download the photos again. Don't forget to save your file. Now, like I told you, it depends what you need. But for me, I need to sculpt this map to make it better so player can zoom. For now, I'll try to add another modifier, another displays. In these displays, don't go in normal, go in Z. Now I'll add new. I'll add new photo, new open, and I will add this that I made in Infinity. Is this the right one? Yes, it is. And now as you can see, we have some mountains. You see, I will go in maybe 5. Maybe in 10. Now we need to mess around with this photo. You need to try it and make it better and try it, you know. Maybe I will make it like much brighter. I will try this one. I will just replace it here. Yes, now it's much better. So you need to try it. Just try and make it and try it. There are no other way. And now, as you can see, we have pretty good base for sculpting. You know, we can, if you do not need very detailed map, you can like just smooth these edges in sculpting and smooth these mountains and get like just a little bit smoothed. And you can get like very quickly in a day strategy map if you want it just as placeholder. But I think I will just put in sculpting just more time and make very good map. So this is my plan for making map. And I plan to do sculpting. You see, we have just these mountains. You can just sculpt this range of, just smooth this range of mountains. Maybe you can displace it more. That is my plan. And after I done this, I can apply like subdivision, apply displacement, 1, 2, and now you can see that we have a lot of vertices, and you can basically sculpt it, just smooth it. But I will not show you that how you can sculpt, because that takes so much time, you know, so much time. But just this, so to have shape of Europe, it's like 100% help. But one thing remains. What about material? Again, it depends. If your game you do not want to player to zoom too much, why you can have like 4 or 8K just one texture, you know, just one texture. If you do not want player to zoom like here, you do not need too much texture density. Maybe you can go for map 100 with 100. You can go with one material and 4K textures, so what? It really depends on your game. But I'm planning to use like landscape, same material for my landscape on this map. It will be the same material after sculpt. So on that material, you size, it do not matter. So basically, I just want to show you how I plan to make my map. So like this displacement, this is so much help to have the shape of Europe. So much help. So like I said, it's not perfect solution. You need to put some work on it. But I made this video if somebody are making some strategy game because I love strategy games. And this is my process of thinking about it. And I hope this video helped you. If it did, so please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.